My name is Sam Waniae. I appreciate James and Kelly for the sewer project. Realize that after having my lumbar spine surgery, it has been so difficult for me to squat on our pit latrines. But when you came home and you saw the situation, that it was so enduring, and it came to your heart to improve on my situation, and then you realized it would be good if you built for us a better toilet than using latrines, because you know latrines, we squat on them, and with the effect on my back, it would not be really helpful. And that was so good for you to observe and come up with something that would be of greater help. And I tell you, as soon as you sent in the funds, we right away went ahead and began doing the work. Speak right now, the work is done. We are very happy. I no longer use now the pit latrine. I use the toilets, and certainly we have also put there the showers. It enables me to shower very well. I just sit and then just enjoy my shower. This is not only to me, but it has also helped the family. The family is enjoying the facility, and it's upon this background that I continue to say thank you so much for what you have done, and thank you so much for any other friend of yours who might have supported you to support us. We are so grateful. We are seeing a great change in our family. We are seeing a great change in our new life, new facility, which we had never used before and which we had never had before. We are very grateful, and may the Lord God bless you.